Welcome back. So another Amazon Prime Day buy here. It's Amazon's Luna controller. It's not Amazon's cloud gaming that I'm most interested in though, but rather the ability to use Bluetooth connectivity on the controller. In this video, I'll show you how you can get it into its Bluetooth pairing mode to make it discoverable and connect it to your device. In my case, of course, it's a Chromebook for a bit of gaming. In the box, as you can see, you've of course got the controller, two non-rechargeable AA batteries, but I imagine swapping those out to rechargeable may make sense, as you've got that USB-C port on the back, and there's the instructions and paperwork too. No USB-C cable included, but I'm sure most people have that covered already. The weight of the controller is about 283 grams with batteries. That's just over 0.62 pound. The controller itself feels and looks good, quite nice in this black and grey with purple highlights, but it does seem to be a bit of a dust magnet, so apologies if that's showing up. It's very similar in layout to the Xbox controller, so that should help with key mappings and input for games. The D-pad feels to me like it's got a bit more resistance than usual, but the pressure sensitivity on the LT and RT shoulder buttons feels really good. So let's go ahead and get the Amazon Luna controller connected to the Chromebook. First, hold down the home button. That's the large circular shaped button with the Luna logo on it in the center of the controller to power the Luna controller on. Second, we need to hold down two buttons together for 3 seconds. The action button, that's the small circular shaped button with a circle on it, and the B button. You should notice the circle around the action button starts to pulse with a white color. Over on your Chromebook now, click down by the clock, click onto Bluetooth, ensuring that it's turned on, and you can click to pair a new device. You should see the Luna controller appear. Select that and you should get a confirmation message that it's connected. Back on the controller, you should notice the light on the circle around the action button at the top has gone white, so that means you're ready to game. You could also use this pairing method to connect to other Bluetooth devices, of course, like your Android phone or Steam Deck. Trying out the Luna controller with a few different games and it's all good. No problem using it with the Sega Genesis / Mega Drive emulator from the Google Play Store that I've got. It worked well for basic games that really only need one button and the D-pad or analog stick, as well as those that can handle 6-button input. Roblox from the Google Play Store also worked well on my Chromebook with the Amazon Luna controller, as you can see here. By the way, if this video is helping you out, please do give it a like, and if you want me to know that you made it to this point of the video, drop a comment and tell me your favourite game controller. Minecraft is clearly designed to work with the Luna controller too, with the prompts on screen for the buttons matching the controller's design and labelling, so really nice integration and no problem there. When you're done gaming, hold down the central home button again to turn your controller off. As a bonus, here's a quick flash up of the main instructions and LED status light meanings from the instruction manual. You can of course pause if needed. If you want to see how to connect other gamepads and controllers like Xbox and PlayStation controllers to your Chromebook, check out the Chromebook gaming playlist I've linked on the left next. Otherwise, the YouTube algorithm has picked the video on the right for you. Cheers.